Pagpasensya nyo na guys, kayo nang balang humanap ng application. So hey, what is up mga ka-Stargazers? So welcome back again with my YouTube channel. This is Mars Free. Alright guys, so sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pag-shoot ng Milky Way. Shoot lang ng shoot guys, hanggang makakuha tayo ng magandang pictures of Milky Way. As of now, hindi pa rin ako nag-Milky Way. Last April 25 pa ako nag-Milky Way, which is yun yung nakita nyo. So before we proceed to this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell para sa susunod na video hindi ka mahuli. So intro roll out. So okay mga ka-Stargazers, so today I'll give you tips on how to shoot Milky Way. So last video, tinuruan ko kayo kung paano kumuha ng picture. Napansin ko, di pa klaro yung video na yun. So, gumawa ulit ako ng video na ngayon para sa tips and para masagot ko yung iba pang tanong sa akin.
You can't touch this.
So, tip number 1, prepare your gears. Like, check your batteries and storage. So, bakit ba kailangan i-check ang battery? Hindi natin alam kapag ilang oras kayo mag-shoot ng Milky Way. Full charge nyo yan, hanggang malobat kayo, okay yun. Storage nyo, hindi natin malalaman kapag ilang photos ang masushoot natin or makakapture natin guys. Kaya, kailangan mo pa rin ng malaking storage.
You can't touch this.
Okay, tip number 2. Know the astronomical events and the weather. Okay, weather muna tayo. Ayaw naman natin mag-shoot na Milky Way kung maulap. Okay, minsan maganda rin na may ulap, pero hindi yun maganda. Dapat clear sky tayo. Okay, know the weather. Check natin sa Pag-asa or tignan natin sa labas. Labas tayo, tapos tingin tayo sa sky. Tignan natin kapag may ulap, ganun. Basta kung alam yung clear sky, tapos merong counting ulap, okay na yun. Okay, know the astronomical events. So, always know the astronomical events, guys, para hindi kayo mahuli, guys.
You can't touch this.
Para hindi kayo mahuli sa mga astronomical events. Like, the Lyrid meteor shower and the Cupid meteor shower. Dapat updated kayo guys. So, sali kayo sa Philippine Astronomy Forum and Photography Philippines. Know the astronomical events and the weather. That is the important.
You can't touch this.
Okay, tip number 3. Always shoot in the darker place and avoid the light pollution. Bakit nga ba kailangan natin mag-shoot sa darker place? Dahil pag nasa dark ka, ang makukuha mo lang talaga yung star. Because of the shutter speed. Okay? The shutter speed, yun yung magbibigay ng liwanag eh. Like 30 seconds. Kung 30 seconds ang shutter speed mo, talaga makukuha niya yung lights na kailangan niya. Like the Milky Way. Okay, nakikita ba natin ng Milky Way through naked eyes? No, parang yun lang yung shadow na nakikita natin. Once na ginamitan ng camera, the right settings, yun, tama-tama guys, makukuha natin ang Milky Way. Okay, please avoid the light pollution. Huwag nyong itatapat ang camera nyo sa mga light pollution. Baka magtanong kayo, bakit yung iba mayroong flashlight? Yun, that is the way guys para makuha yung right timing of focus of the Milky Way. That's why they are using flashlight. Okay.
You can't touch this.
Okay, tip number 4. Always shoot in RAW. Okay, what is RAW? RAW is a file format that captures all images, data recorded by the sensors when you take a photo. Alright. So that is a RAW. Okay, there are 2 na pwede natin gamitin, JPEG and RAW. Pero I preferred RAW para ma-enhance pa natin ng maigi. May palabas natin ng details ng Milky Way. Alright.
You can't touch this.
Tip number 5. Best time to capture Milky Way. So okay, so karamihan pa naman hindi pa marunong gumamit ng app na binigay ko, provide ko guys. Yun yung ginagamit ko, ginagamit ng karamihan. Okay, so kung hindi nyo pa rin kabisado gumamit ng app na yun, ito na yun, sasabihin ko na sa inyo. Okay, the best time to capture Milky Way is between 12:30 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. Depende sa date and location and the weather. Okay guys? Okay, why? 12:30 a.m. That is the time when the Milky Way is rising up between southeast to south. Sabihin na natin between 5:30 a.m. doon mawawala ang Milky Way. Bigla na mawawala. Parang siya nawalan ng feelings sa'yo.
Bigla na mawawala. Parang siya nawalan ng feelings sa'yo.
You can't touch this.
So, tip number 6. Anong oras ba ako nagmi-Milky Way? Okay, kung nagmi-Milky Way ako guys, hindi ako natutulog. Or minsan naman, nagigising ako ng maaga. Like, natutulog ako ng 6 p.m. Nagigising ako alas 2. Or minsan talaga hindi ako natutulog. Like, nung lyrid nature shower, hindi talaga ako natulog nun. Tapos wala talaga akong nakuhanan ng nature shower. Ano yun? Wala talaga guys. Wala. Okay, so we're done in the 6th tip na binigay ko sa inyo guys. Kung meron pa rin kayong gustong itanong, sasagutin ko na yan sa susunod na vlog, which is yung editing natin ng Milky Way. So switch tayo guys kasi marami pang nagtatanong. Okay, so we will answer questions. Yun yung nako-comment nila sa akin. Ano ba yung ganito ganyan? Okay, so first question, di na natin i-mention kapag sino. Kasi karamihan naman, gano'n ang question nila. Okay, so first question nila. So anong phone ang gamit ko nung nag-Milky Way ako? My phone is Xiaomi Redmi S2. So gumamit ako ng beacon camera para doon. Hindi ako gumamit ng stock camera dahil wala akong manual camera. Okay, the next question is, anong app ang preferred ko para sa iPhone? So honestly guys, wala pa ako nagamit na application. So hindi pa ako nakapag-shoot ng Milky Way using iPhone. But meron akong i-recommend sa inyo guys. Maganda na rin yung reviews niya sa website, sa Google. Right. So this is Nightcap. Kailangan nyo itong bilhin sa App Store. Then kung gusto nyo ng free, Yamera. And then the last one is Starry Camera. Yun lang yun guys. Hindi pa ako nakapag-shoot ng Milky Way using iOS. Pagpasensya nyo na guys, kayo nang balang humanap ng application. Always use your tripod. Always steady your shot. Huwag yung galaw ng galaw para makuhanan nyo ng magandang at malinaw ang Milky Way. Okay guys? So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Yun na lang kasi yung mga natatanong sa akin. Okay, Stargazers, enjoy stargazing.